How to play Rainbow Six Siege cross-platform PC and Xbox. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you'll learn how to enable and use crossplay in Rainbow Six Siege and more importantly, what platforms you can and you cannot play together. Let's get started. 1. Understand what is possible. Rainbow Six Siege supports crossplay only between consoles. That means Xbox and PlayStation can play together. PC and consoles cannot play together. Step 2. Make sure you're using a Ubisoft account. Crossplay only works if both players are connected with a Ubisoft account. So make sure your Xbox and PlayStation friends are all signed into the Ubisoft Connect accounts. Step 3. Enable crossplay in settings. On your console, go to Options, General, and Crossplay. Set crossplay matchmaking and crossplay communication to on. This will allow you to join matches with players from the other console platform. Step 4. Add friends through Ubisoft Connect. Open the Ubisoft Connect overlay or app. Search and add your friends using their Ubisoft usernames, not their Xbox or PSN names. Once added, you can invite them directly into your squad. And that's it. That was the full guide on how to play Rainbow Six Siege crossplay on consoles. Just remember, PC and console matchmaking stays separate for now. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.